So here we are doing the product category analysis. Remember, we are now using the new data set. So here we want to calculate the unit costs per customer, and we added the unit costs, and this is the formula for the unit cost. Sales is a column here in the original data set, and we have the quantity, which is also in the original data set, and we calculated the unit costs, and I think I should be able to show that. So this is the new column that is added, the unit cost here, right here. So the next thing we did, also doing a graphical representation of our analysis. We call the functions for the analysis right here, and for this we are doing a count plot. We are checking the number of transactions by the product category, and for this store, the products we are looking at the furniture, the office supplies, and technology. So for the furniture, we have 1,250 number of transactions for the furniture, and for the office supplies we have about 3,600, and for technology we have 1,050. So in these, we see that office supplies sells more in this within this time frame, looking at the number of transaction. Then here we want to look at the product category, the category that has the largest total amount of sales. Look into this, what they can do to make the champions in the central, how to make them grow at parts, other centers. So for the recommendations, looking at the champions, these customers, they buy frequently, they spend a lot, and make recent purchases. And we've talked about the loyalists, how the customer who purchase regularly but might not spend as much as the champion. What I would recommend based on the tiered, we talked about this customer, the champions or the high value customers should be offered the highest reward to maintain their loyalty and incentivize their repeat purchases. And customers with moderate frequency and monetary scores but good recency should also be given the 100, and that's what we discussed. And the at risk, they've not really purchased, they should be given $25 to encourage them to return to the store. And looking at the product region recommendation, for the product category, the high performing categories like the office supplies and technology should be prioritized for promotions. And these categories also show higher profit margins and the customer engagement. And for the regional targeting, regions such as the West and South, they also show higher engagement and sales, and marketing efforts and loyalty programs should focus more on these regions to optimize their returns. And for the furniture category, while furniture we saw from the graph that though furniture generates good sales, its profit margin can be sensitive to discount. So it's recommended to avoid aggressive discounting in this category to maintain profitability.